Hi mga leaders! Welcome back sa coaching series natin. Last episode, tinuro ko kung paano gumawa ng SMART plan after identifying the root cause. Pero may nagtanong, and it's really a good one. Paano kung maraming open behavior sa agent? Lahat may issue, lahat may kulang. Ano ang dapat unahin? Kasi bilang TLR coach, hindi mo pwedeng sabay-sabay ayusin lahat. Coaching is not about fixing everything at once. It's about knowing what to fix first. Let's be real. Lahat tayo naka-encounter na ng agent na sobrang daming coaching points. Mababa CSAT, mataas AHT, inconsistent sa documentation, kulang sa product knowledge, and habang gusto mo siyang i-address lahat, hindi siya realistic in one sitting at hindi rin siya effective. So the big question is, what do you coach first? Here are 3 simple filters that will help you decide what behavior to coach first. Una, urgency to operations or client KPI. Sa mga behaviors ang directly nakakaapekto sa client expectations or service delivery. If it's affecting SLA, compliance, or non-negotiable client KPI, yon ang priority. Example, mataas ang AHT pero may trust issue si client pagdating sa commitment keeping. So, unahin mo yung behavior related sa follow-through and accuracy. Pangalawa, impact to customer experience. Alin sa mga behavior ang may biggest impact sa customer perception? Kung laging rude or may tone issues sa agent, kahit 100% pa siya sa tools, customers will remember the attitude. Example, if you're losing CSAT because of empathy or poor tone, that's a red flag. Coachable agad yan. At pangatlo, coachability and win potential. Alin sa mga behaviors ang may quick win? Yung kayang ma-improve agad with just small adjustment. Tandaan, hindi lahat ng behaviors kailangan ng malalimang training. Sometimes, simple awareness or tip lang, malaki na agad ang epekto. Example, kung inconsistent lang sa opening spiel but everything else is okay, that's a 2-minute fix that builds momentum and confidence. Ang goal is not to fix everything in one session. Ang goal is to pick one behavior na kapag inayos, madadama yung iba. Let's say si agent mataas ang AHT, kulang sa call control, may empathy issue. Unahin mong ayusin yung call control. Bakit? Kasi kapag si agent marunong nang i-drive ang call, bababa ang AHT at magkakaroon ng space to build empathy. Coaching is like dominoes. Pick the first piece that knocks everything else forward. So the next time nalulula ka sa daming coaching points, remember these 3 filters. Urgency to the business, impact to customer experience, and coachability and quick win potential. Remember, don't fix everything at once. Fix what matters most. Fix what builds momentum. In the next episode, pag-usapan natin ang follow-up para mas maging effective and consistent ang SMART plan natin. Thanks again for watching and keep coaching with purpose.